Welcome to my music classroom. My name is Donna Rhodenizer, and I would like to show you my last year's Christmas concert program. Interesting. This is a primary or kindergarten to grade 6 Christmas concert. There are 9 different performing groups, 420 students. Everybody is on the stage for at least one class effort. The all-school finale at the end, and I have a choir at grade 4-5 level, so some of those students will be on the stage 3 times. And this concert lasted 47 minutes. No word of a lie. There are multiple classes, except for handbells, because they can't handle more than 28 bells in one thing, but I have 3 primary classes together, little voices, big stage, big gym that helps support them. Older students that might be a little reticent to be performing have lots of people to give them some bolstered support, and that seems to work out really, really well for everybody. So that's the front of my program. Now here's a word of advice. If you've got a principal who wants to know what you're doing in your music classroom, let them know what you're doing in your concert that supports your curriculum. So on the back here, I have written that students are pleased to have the opportunity to create an enjoyable performance for family and friends, and so on like that, but they are also showing specific skills demonstrated by students at various grade levels include keeping a beat, singing in unison as a group, singing with expression to tell a story, adding appropriate actions to a song, developing vocabulary, using body percussion, using actions to dramatize a song, note reading when they're playing handbells, working as a team to present and perform a piece of music, singing more challenging repertoire as part of a choir, including songs in 2 or 3 or 4 parts, and melodies with jazz elements. So all of a sudden, you have gone from, woohoo, we're putting on a concert to entertain the parents, to, woohoo, we're putting on a concert that will be entertaining for the parents, but look what our kids can do. Look what they've learned in the music room. So advocate for your program. Every person that gets a program is going to see that. They're sitting there waiting for the half hour before the show starts, and they'll flip that over and they'll read that, and they'll say, wow, look what our kids are doing in music class. And it's a wonderful way to advocate for your program with the general public and with your administration. It's important that people that aren't us music teachers know what we music teachers do. There you go. A little piece of advice. Have a great day. Making music. Make music a great part of your day.